These are Remy's males. She has a bit bigger dog. I don't know what their names are. Their noses are filling in. He's got a big white collar. This guy has a little white collar. This one has a little white stripe. Some of them are diluted. They have like a red undercoat. And Frosty is spoken for. He's a little tricolor. Black and white tricolor male. Some brown. And then here she is. There's Squickers. Where are you going, little dude? He's got a fluff. Oh, he has lots to say. So where my friends go? Oh, you guys got the ball to move. Y'all come running. Say puppy. Where's Wendy? Wendy. He's going home. Says, hey, I gotta go potty, and the potty spot's over here. Look, he wants to go in the house. Oh goodness.